right, what's going on, Sandy?
All right, so here we go. Another travel day. We're going to do 500 miles. Jimmy does a tire check. And what does Jimmy find?
We got some crack in the house.
We are a family of 5 that loves adventure, connecting with people, and trying something new.
6 years ago, we got rid of all of our stuff and moved into an RV full-time to give us the freedom to explore the world.
So hit that subscribe button and come along on the adventure with us. We only get one life to live, so let's live it up.
Good. So about 3 weeks ago, we replaced the tire on the other side because it had a huge crack. Doing a pre-tire check. Let's check it out.
We got here.
I can't believe that we can have a crack that big and still be operational. So I called it the local tire center. It's 4 minutes away. They can squeeze us in right now, and hopefully we'll still get in our 500 miles today.
Let's go.
All right, so here we are, commercial tire center. These guys squeezed us in on the nick of a dime. They're like, come on down, we got you. And he was telling me a story, the guy that runs the shop over here. Yesterday, a tour bus was going through the area. A front tire blew out. He went down in the center meridian. The band fell out of the bunks and broke their backs. 2 guys broke their backs. That's absolutely crazy. So he said these tires are really good for max 5 years. We're pushing 7 years, so we definitely need to get them replaced. So if you have some tires on your RV, keep a lookout on them because stuff happens. All right, so this tire is just sitting here, but I want to show you what can happen here, guys, with these tires malfunctioning, blowing out, and all that stuff. They are about a ½ an inch thick, but Jesus Louise, look at this thing, man. Freaking totally blown out and wacky jacked. And Ryder painted my nails for my birthday, in case you're wondering what that is. All right, so if you're ever wondering what it looks like down here, you know, you gotta check out the brakes every once in a while. You never get a chance to see what it looks like with the tire off. I replaced the shocks about a year ago and I put a dampening bar in there. So that's kind of cool to see, but that's what it looks like, man. We had about a ½ an inch gap in the tire. Looks like the tire is almost about 1 inch thick, so I always thought that crack would go all the way through the sidewall, but I guess not. You got a little bit more room in there to play, but you don't want to be playing around with these things. All right, here we go. The old tire's off. They're putting the new tire on, balancing it right now. But,
So this is the inside of the tire right here, some spot you never see, and it looks like this side's got some cracks in it too, which is crazy.
All right, so what do we got? What's going on here?
Well, this tire, I just mounted it up for you, and there's no weights on it anywhere.
Man, that's amazing. It's meant to be.
I was spinning too happy.
All right, so he's balancing the tire. The tire came out perfect. Doesn't even need any weights. We got 2 okay, so man, it was meant to be. We're meant to get this tire today. All good? Yep. Thank you. All right, tires fixed. We're all set. Let's get back on the road and see if we get in that 500 miles. I don't know if we're able to make it or not, but we'll give it a shot.
Hello? Hey, good. How you doing?
So a lot of times things don't go as planned, and that's all part of this lifestyle, is just going with the flow, accept what it is. We're supposed to get out of here at 6:30 this morning. We're now rolling on to 9:30. Whatever. So something in the universe told us, you know what? I don't want you guys to get there at that point in time because something might happen on the road. That's the way I always look at it. And we're topping off some gasoline right now, so let's see what that damage is. So what I have to usually do is, they have a $100 limit, so I re-enter my card and fill it up again and again and again, so.
We've been traveling full-time in the RV for 7 years now. We have crisscrossed the country and drove over 40,000 miles. And we're so happy that today's video is sponsored by Good Sam Roadside Assistance, because that was one of the first things we purchased when we first moved into the RV. The last thing that we wanted was for something to go wrong and we would be stranded on the side of the road. A lot of the places that we've been to are literally in the middle of nowhere, and that is definitely not an easy fix. The comfort of knowing that help is there when needed meant the world to us, especially because we have kids with us in the RV. Plans start at $65 and include towing and roadside assistance. Whether you need tire repair or replacement, battery help, fluid delivery, locksmith service, medical emergencies, I'm telling you, this gives you such peace of mind. There are 3 different plans to choose from. We decided to go with the Platinum Complete package. We know how important it is to have full coverage because you just never know what's going to happen. Whenever we needed help, Good Sam was right there and took care of everything, which made the whole process way easier. Because it's already a stressful situation, we would never want to take the chance and hit the road without having this coverage. Check out the link in the description for more information.
All right, so we pulled over somewhere in the middle of nowhere, Kansas. Oh, I'm having a rough time here. What I'm gonna do is put the kids in the car because maybe you can tell by the wind, maybe you can't. There's probably 40-mile-an-hour winds coming from that direction. So as we're driving, the RV is doing this, and then I have to turn the steering wheel this way to correct it. It's just a mess right now. I haven't driven conditions like this in a long time, and it's kind of getting hot in the RV. I'm gonna throw everybody in the car right here, and then they just get to have a little bit more safety, some AC, and hang out in there. And then I will trudge ahead in the RV. Bye, guys. Bye. All right, road days are hard sometimes, and today's a little rough, so we're just gonna keep on pushing here and get on to the get on. Dark. We've been driving all day. We just saw a deer, and that means we're definitely in Colorado. We're about 2 minutes away from our friend's house.
24
It's getting
miles.
dark, and we are out in the middle of nowhere.
Literally nowhere. Look, there's a herd of cows in their yard right now.
All right, guys, it's looking a little tight in here. What do you think?
Teddy's is tighter.
You got Daddy's? Do you think Daddy's got skills?
Walk, Dad. Can I just run?
Yeah.
I can get up in. They do kick on the trampoline. You jump. You jump. Hi.
All right, looks like we made it. Oh, all right, so that wraps up a 500-mile day. And we got here when it's still daylight, and we got a tire replaced. How amazing is that? That's some nice, cool weather out here. We're in the woods, get to meet up with some old friends. Can't get any better. Woo! What's up, brother? Let's get one of these for our YouTube video. Good to see you.
Hey,
Good to see you, man.
Yeah,
Good to
man.
see you.
You brought the rain.
Yeah,
Good to see you too. Oh, yeah.
What happened up here?
No idea. We look out, the dogs are going crazy. And there's this entire herd of cow.
No way.
Huge
How
cow.
many? On the way here, we saw some deer in the road.
Oh, yeah.
I'm wondering about a bear. I don't know, is there bears out here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Some cows are here. We're in the
Cows.
wild, yeah. We're in the wild. Look at this. Log cabins and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Looks pretty cool.
You're in the mountain.
This is our first time to Colorado. We've drove through a couple times, but never like been to Colorado to adventure and stuff like that. So tomorrow we're headed up to some lake and do some boondocking up there, but check out what the kids are doing out here. Oh my gosh, guys, it's raining. Oh God, careful, all right. Yeah, be careful your neck, bud. Be careful your neck. All right, how is it, guys? Let's get that energy out, huh? Woo! Oh my God, it's raining out. Don't lock it. I don't have to do that. Let's leave it for a second. All right, we are leaving here. We're leaving our friends mooch docking. This is what you call mooch docking when you park in somebody's parking lot, park in somebody's driveway for a minute. Sorry, it's raining out here. We're trying to run real fast. This is the house, this is the RV, this is the car. We're getting ready to get out of here. Where are we going? Some reservoir, I don't know. We're going somewhere else. It's raining, it's cold, it's getting dark, and we got a couple-hour drive, so here we go. After driving 3 hours through some of the craziest mountain passes we have been through and smoking the brakes a couple times, we finally made it to the reservoir where we would be boondocking for the next 3 days. I've been driving the RV for a long time, but it still sketches me out when there's a 100-foot drop off to the right and the sun is setting and it's hard to see.
All right, so we made it. It was a pretty sketchy drive all the way down. We were losing light, sun was going down. It was definitely a little weird, but we made it, thankfully. Everybody's good. It's really cold. It's gonna be about 51 tonight, so wish us luck.
How dark is it out?
It is pitch black. Like you can't see.
Here, I'm gonna pull down the light and see if we can see you. Nope, can't see you.
Yeah, you can't see a damn thing. So, but it did look really beautiful as we were driving in with the little light we did have. So I'm really excited to see what it looks like in the morning.
All right,
That'll be our Colorado experience.
Did you save marshmallow for me?
Nope. In my eyes.
You get a marshmallow for me?
You have to make your own.
All right, babe, put the camera down and let's just have some fun, okay? That was a long drive.
That looks like fun. I want to try that.
Oh, that hurt.
Well, the next morning when we woke up, we knew this destination was totally worth the journey, and we definitely got out there and what? Try something new!